We want love, Ghana shining up above. 2024, we vote. Let's keep it real, no shove on shove. Unity on every street, hands help feel the beat. For Ghana, let's come together, keep the harmony on repeat. Yo, 2024, Ghana's voice is loud. From Accra to Tamale, we one proud crowd. Election there, but no fear in the air. We casting votes, showing love and we're playing fair. No violence, no fight, just smile so bright. Red, gold, green, we're standing upright. Different sides, different views, but one flag will wave. In peace, love, respect, that's how we behave. Oh, we want peace, we want love, Ghana shining up above. 2024, we vote. Let's keep it real, no shove or shove. Unity on every street, hands held, feel the beat. For Ghana, let's come together, keep the harmony on repeat. Youth in the booth, elders in line. Everybody coming out, rain or shine. No room for anger, no place for hate. This election's always we control the fate. Let's fight on respect, put the power to the test. Not for party but the people, yeah, that's the quest. Ghana first we declare in every town. We lift each other up, won't tear each other down. One voice, one heart in Kumasi Ada. We're building up peace like bricks, mortar, Ghana. 2024, our story we write. With unity as ink, watch it take flight. Ooh, we want peace, we want love, Ghana shining up above. 2020, Ash 2020, 2023 we vote, let's keep it real. No shove or shove, unity, a shove or shove. Unity on every street, hands held to feel the beat. For Ghana, let's come together, keep the harmony on the beat.